Hi, I'm Sarah, and I'm going to show you how to find Pearson's R and the regression line in Microsoft Excel. So first of all, here's what the formula for Pearson's R looks like. I know it looks scary like this, but I'm going to focus on one thing at a time and just kind of walk through it. Okay, so start out with some data. I made up these numbers. There's nothing like substantially, valuable about them. Uh, Start with the x, or the independent variable, and y. You got the dependent variable, and then you're going to add some columns to the right for x squared, y squared, and xy. And find each value in the cells. You could do it manually like I did here, where I just went ahead and plugged in the values. Or, I'm sorry, plugged in this value and then squared it, 19 squared. Or do it like I did here, where I selected the cell and then squared it. And then do that for y as well. And then when you come to xy, again, you could do it manually, or you could do it using the cells that you want to multiply. Okay. And once you've got these guys, these values, you can find the sums of each column. So I did that here. And you're also going to need the sample size, which is 5. My hypothesis is that there's a relationship between the age of respondents, the independent variable, and hours slept, such that older respondents get more sleep. So I'm kind of predicting a positive relationship. And then I'm going to start with the top half of Pearson's R. And I put the sum of x, y in yellow, and it's right here, 609. We're going to subtract 84 times 36 divided by 5 from 609. So 84 times 36 is 3024, and 3024 divided by 5 is 604.8, and I'm going to subtract 604.8 from 609 for the top half of my equation. And then I'll move on to the bottom half. Okay, table. So I know this part looks scary too, but like I said, breaking it down. Okay, so green is sum of x squared, which is different from sum of x squared. And when I squared 84, I got 7,056. I'm going to divide that by 5 for 1,411.2. And I'm going to subtract that from the sum of x squared, remember, in green. And then I got 20.8. So that's one part that I need for this. It goes here. Now I'm going to do y. So 262, the sum of y squared, minus the sum of y, 36, squared. The sum of 36 squared, or I'm sorry, just 36 squared, is 1,296. I'm going to divide that by 5 for 259.2 and subtract 259.2 from 262, which again is the sum of y squared. And we get 2.8. Now I can finally multiply these guys for 58.24, and then I get the square root of that for the bottom half of my equation. And then I can just divide for r. So Pearson's r is right here. 4.2 over 7.6, which equals 0.55, roughly. You can check that to make sure that it's right by using the CORL function But remember, if you're taking a statistics course, you're probably going to have to show your work anyway. So it's good to know how to, do all this. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I'll show you how to do the linear equation in the next video. Okay, thanks.